right, Storm Team 4's Liz McGiffin joining us now as we enter November for real. And we're in that stretch now, aren't we?
Yeah, and I have seen a few people joke that it's got bad karma from everyone decorating Christmas early, that it looks like a sno globe outside.
Yeah,
so I don't want to weigh in on the debate, but you know, if you've been enjoying decorating for Christmas, we've got that more wintry look out there.
Yep.
We've been seeing more on the Live Viper radar showing up in the form of that blue color, meaning that with the mid-30s, it's primarily just been some light snow flurries we've had flying around. Really not expecting much of this to actually be sticking and building over the next few hours, but you'll notice behind it, there's more where that snow came from. So we'll be keeping an eye on those temperatures closely because we're at the point where mid-30s can be the difference between a light wintry mix or just a little bit of light snow as well. And you'll notice as we zoom right into the Columbus area, just building in that blue. So again, not expecting a big blinding snowfall by any stretch, but certainly going to be experiencing some of those light snow showers for the rest of the evening drive. Right now, 37 degrees, feeling much more like 30 degrees even though when you factor in this west to southwesterly breeze. It's been moving in at 9 miles per hour and it'll keep around that 10-mile-per-hour pace throughout the evening as well. I'm anticipating some chilly weather to hang around throughout the rest of the night as well, and you'll notice as we head toward 8 o'clock, that'll be where we drop down closer to the freezing mark, and any light mixture will transition back over to snow. I'll walk you through hour by hour how long the snow will be hanging around though in your full forecast coming up.
All right.
It is headed our way.
It is already on the Live Viper radar. We've been seeing plenty of snow showers making an appearance, so do want to give you the heads up that while it's not going to be a big piling of snow that we're experiencing for the rest of the overnight into the day tomorrow, there still will be at least a few of those flurries hanging around throughout the evening drive, overnight, and into first thing tomorrow morning as well. As we zoom right into the Columbus area, you'll notice we're almost the target for where this snow has been moving in. I do want to give you the heads up though that most of the snow has been staying very light. We're talking more in the way of flurries, so those small snowflakes that have been blowing around and really haven't been seeing much in the way of this sticking and building. As far as what's going on outside, you'll notice visibility not looking too bad, but it is impaired just a little bit by those flurries that have been flying around. We also have plenty of gray sky, which has really been limiting a warm up. On top of that, southwesterly breeze as it moves in at 11 miles per hour. It's making 37 feel even colder. It's feeling more like it's only 29 degrees outside. And of course, those flurries, those light snow showers, those are the main things that we're watching alongside plenty of cold air in place. In fact, by the time this weekend gets here, we'll see another drop in our temperature. But there is some hope in sight for those of you who like those warmer temperatures. We may not be boosting back up to the 70s by any stretch, but at least start to feel a little bit more seasonal and bring 40s back in the forecast as we head closer to the Thanksgiving holiday. You notice though, pinpoint forecast, watching those showers continue to fill in as we approach 6 o'clock this evening, primarily with these temperatures staying in the low to mid 30s. It will be light snow showers that we're continuing to watch as we head throughout the overnight. Even first thing tomorrow morning, keeping an eye out for a few lingering flurries. And as far as those totals go, they will be staying light. We're talking about half an inch or less in most spots. So even areas like Columbus, it'll especially be those grassy surfaces, maybe the cold elevated surfaces like the top of your car if you park outside, that we could see upwards of maybe 1/10 of an inch to isolated half an inch of snow. So again, not going to be watching for too much in the way of that piling up. And temperature wise, that's the big thing that hangs around, is that chill to the air. So overnight tonight, light snow showers giving us very minimal accumulations, but of course temperature wise, we're just going to keep going down from here. We'll max out tomorrow, very similar to what we experienced today, just in those mid 30s. The difference, we'll be waking up to the 20s and working our way back up to the mid 30s as opposed to staying nearly constant. Now here's what I'm talking about with that extra chill. It arrives on Friday on into the weekend. As we clear out the clouds, take a look at what that does to our low temperatures. It'll drop us to the teens and 20s, and we will rebound much more seasonably to close to 50 degrees by Wednesday.
Ooh, balmy next week.
Yeah.